What's up, boo? I'm your Tone It Up trainer, Ari, and I'm so excited to take you through a quick workout, a 10-minute toning ropes workout. Woo! What I love about these ropes, I'm a fan. They help boost your cardio and strength right at home. So I want you to grab your ropes and let's hit it. See what I did there? See you soon. All right, first we're gonna get started with setting them up. You want to find a piece of furniture in your home that's very sturdy, so it can be a table, it can be the leg of your couch that you can add the anchor to. I'm going for a stool in my home that's actually rather heavy, but for safekeeping, I'm gonna add a dumbbell on top of it. So you grab the anchor and bring it around. I'm gonna triple it up because the leg is so small for this, and I wanna make sure it's nice and secure. You'll grab the other one, clip it on, and then make sure they are clipped together so it's nice and sturdy, okay? For the first move, we're gonna start with getting that heart rate up. So I want you to give me 3 rope slams and a burpee. Alternating reverse lunges with waves. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. The third move is going to be Russian twist with a slam. We say we love, we say we love. Until something better came along. The next move is up down squat waves. For this last move, we're going to do quick punches.
Tear it down as soon as we wake up. Promise you the world tonight. Show you what I've got. Your body speaks my language and you read me like a book.
Goodness, I am sweating. Thank you so much for joining me. If you don't have your Tone It Up ropes, make sure you grab it at Target or tonitup.com. Also, if you want more, there's some full-length workouts in the Tone It Up app.